Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will make chicken kabsa rice. Turn your next dinner into a feast with this Arabic dish of chicken and rice. Spicy grilled chicken and delicious rice make it perfect for any special occasion. So let's see the recipe. So I am making this dish for a total of 4 people. So here I have taken 700 grams of rice. We will wash them and soak them for 30 minutes. Then I have taken 1 kg chicken. 150 ml oil, 5 medium-sized sliced onions, 3 large chopped tomatoes, 4 chopped green chilies, finely chopped coriander, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, juice of 1 large lemon, and dry spices, which include 3 medium spoons of red chili powder, 2 medium spoons of turmeric powder, 2 medium spoons of chicken masala powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, and 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder. First of all, we will take a vessel, add oil in it and let the oil heat on medium to high flame. Once the oil is hot, we will add the whole spices including 1 anise, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 2 bay leaves, 7 to 8 black peppers, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 large cardamoms and 4 small cardamoms. After this we will add onion in it. We will cook the onion here on medium flame till it becomes soft. So the onion has been soft. Now we will add in it ginger garlic paste, chopped tomatoes, finely chopped green chilies, all dry spices, lemon juice. Add 1 cup of water and saute the spices on slow flame while stirring occasionally. After about 5 to 7 minutes, all the spices have been roasted well. So now we will add water to it. Here we have to take a little less water than the amount of rice we have taken. So I have added 600 ml of water here. We will let the water come to boil. When the water starts boiling, we will put the chicken in it. This will cook the chicken and add flavor to the water. Covering this, we will let it boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our chicken has been cooked. So now we will take out this chicken in a separate plate. Now we will add soaked rice in the same water. Add finely chopped coriander and let the rice cook for a while until it boils. And then cover it and let it cook. Now we will apply some spices to the boiled chicken and shallow fry it. I have taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 medium spoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of sang chicken tandoori masala and little red color. We will add 2 to 3 spoons of oil to these spices. Mix them and apply it well on the chicken. Now add 2 spoons of butter in a non-stick pan. Put the chicken in it and fry it well from the both sides until the spices applied on it are cooked. Here our chicken is ready. And rice is also ready. Now we will decorate our dish. So I have taken finely chopped coriander, fried onion birasta, tomatoes and onion cut into round slices, red and green chilies, and soaked, peeled and chopped cashew and almonds for garnishing. First of all, we will take rice in a big plate. We will decorate our dish nicely by adding fried onions, finely chopped coriander, cashew nuts, almonds, fried chicken, green chilies and onion tomatoes. So, here chicken kapsa rice is ready. Tell me by commenting that how was the recipe of chicken kapsa rice. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel.